And today we're going to exercise form 4, chapter 2, body coordination. Chapter 2, body coordination. Coordination enables us to adapt ourselves to internal and external changes. There are two types of coordination: nervous coordination, which involves the nervous coordination system; chemical coordination, which involves the endocrine system. Continue. Importance of body coordination: enable all organs to function as a unit to detect stimuli and respond to them. Control coordination between stimuli and body coordination. Help us to avoid injuries or dangers. Enable us to adapt to the changes around us. Continue. 2.2 Human nervous system. The nervous system detects stimuli and respond to them. The human nervous system consists of central nervous system, prehab nervous system. The central nervous system, it consists of the brain and spinal cord. B, it controls reflex action. So these are the notes about human nervous system, and also the two types of nervous system. You need to know. Okay, let's continue. The peripheral nervous system. It consists of somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system consists of cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. The autonomic nervous system consists of nerves that connect all the glands and the internal organ. Neurons. The nervous system is made up of millions of nervous cells called neurons. So these are the notes about the peripheral nervous system. So this peripheral nervous system you need to remember. So they will ask on exam. So you need to remember what is peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. So you need to remember. Okay, let's continue. Okay, there are three types of neuron which have different function. They are sensory neuron, transmit nervous impulse from the sensory organs such as skin, eye, ear, tongue, and nose to the central nervous system. Next, motor neuron, transmit nervous impulse from the central nervous system to the effector. So these are the type of the neuron. Neuron, about sensory neuron and motor neuron. So let's continue to the relay neuron. Okay, let's continue. Okay, continue. C, relay neuron. It's fully found in the central nervous. It connects the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. It transmits nervous impulse from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. Reflex actions. A reflex action is defined as a quick automatic response to an external stimulus without the involvement of the brain. Some examples of reflex action are listed below. As the size of the pupil decreases when the light very bright. So these are the relay neuron and the reflex action. Okay, you need to know. Okay, let's continue. B, you will withdraw your hands when you accidentally touch a hot object. C, the knee jerk reflex when the knee is hit. D, sneezing and coughing. E, blinking of the eyes to prevent an object from entering the eyes. Reflex actions are very important and they help to protect a person injury. Reflex actions are controlled by spinal cord. the nervous pathway of the reflex action is called a reflex arc. So these are the example of the reflex actions you need to know. Okay, so let's go to the nervous pathway of a reflex action is called reflex arc. So let's go to nervous pathway of a reflex action. Let's continue. Okay, these are the pathway. Okay, these are the impulse pathway in a reflex arc. Okay, first is the receptor, next sensory neuron, synapses, relay neuron, synapses, motor neuron, and effector. So these are the impulse pathway of reflex arc. So this pathway you need to know. So this pathway will come to exam. So you need to remember what is the impulse pathway of a reflex arc. So you need to remember of this pathway. So that's all from me. I hope you will understand understand the tips of science, tips and the notes of science for 4 chapter 2 body coordination. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it, so it will helpful for you. So thank you.